Okay, jive points. Of course, number one is to have for you more clarity of the rhythm. What is quick, what is slow, and what is ah. So when we start, you did very, very well, but we have to be a little bit more precise. We have a slow, 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 ah, slow. So we have this ah, slow at the end, and we have to, show it really for the judges, for the competition is really powerful. Now here we have a slow, and there is a little bit like ah, slow with the leg, slow, ah, slow. The same here when we do those twists, slow. This one is as slow. So you're going to lift your leg and put it down a little bit stronger. As slow, slow, and then kick here, slow. So one more time, we'll repeat. Yes, in a close connection. So 7, 8, slow, 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 as slow, 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 as slow, slow, as slow, slow, as slow, slow, kick, slow. Now the same on the kicks. Timing is very important. We're going to slow, as slow. So this return for us will be more important. Slow, as slow. The same other kick. Slow, as slow, 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 as slow. So that slow is very important. Point slow, slow, and slow, 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 slow. Bumps. In, ada, in, ada, in, out. 5, 6. Here you did very well. Now here, next one. Kick, ball change, the same. We're gonna have timing. Slow, 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 and then slow, sit slow. Then you have your hip, 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 hip. Here you did very well. Now, rack step as well. Instead of just going 1, 2, I want that 1, 2, that slow, slow, slow. A little bit faster the way you put your leg down. Slow, slow. This now triple step again. Slow, 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 slow. So me and Christina, we're gonna show you triple steps so you remember. So instead of going quick, quick, slow like cha-cha-cha, we're gonna have a slow, then this step will be very sharp. Slow, very short step. Slow, 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 and the same for the rock step. Instead of just going slow, slow, we're gonna add a little bit faster stepping over the left leg. Slow, 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 slow. If I do with the timing, it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these principles we can use in here. And slow, 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 slow. The same kick, bull chain, kick. Kick is a slow, slow, a little bit faster. Slow, 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 slow into our point section. Here we point slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, slow, 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 quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick American spin, slow, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, 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 into the finish. That's it.